Midtown friends, it's Mrs. Smith again, and Crosby's a little tuckered out, so he's sleeping over in the foyer. So I'm so happy that we get to see each other again. I hope that you are finding lots to do, and I sent your parents a lot of projects and things that you can do to keep busy. So I don't know about you guys, but at the Smith house, we made a daily checklist. So we didn't make a schedule, we made a checklist. We thought that would be good for our family. So we just try to hit as many of those as we can. So today we are going to talk a little bit about stars and constellations. So I have a book about stars. Stars. Stars appear in the sky on a clear night, and they look like tiny points of light. Stars are giant balls of hot gases. The gases give off light and heat. Stars and Earth. The sun is the easiest star to find in the sky. It is the closest star to Earth, and I know most of you knew that for sure. Other stars show up at night. These stars look smaller. They are farther away from Earth. Kinds of stars. Space is full of stars. There are too many stars to count. Some stars are yellow like the sun. Other stars are white, blue, red, or brown. I did not know that. That is really, really cool fact. The star's color depends on how hot it is. Blue stars are the warmest. So these ones over here are the warmest. Red stars are the coolest. That's really strange. You would think it'd be the other way around, right? Constellations, groups of stars that form shapes in the sky. The shapes are called constellations, and that is what you are going to make today, a constellation projector. Watch the stars twinkle. How many stars do you see in the night sky? So look at that, yet another activity that we can do while we are here with our families at home and staying safe. So when it gets clear, hopefully in the next couple days it'll be clear again and we can go out and you can stargaze. That's another good thing. All right, so I have another story, How to Catch a Star by Oliver Jeffers. He's one of my favorites. Once there was a boy, and the boy loves stars very much. Every night the boy watched the stars from his window and wished he had one of his very own. He dreamt of how this star would be his friend. They would play hide and go seek and take long walks together. The boy decided he would try to catch one. He thought that getting up early in the morning would be best, because then the star would be tired from being up in the sky all night. The next day he set out at sunrise, but he could not see a star anywhere, so he sat down and waited for one to appear. He waited and he waited and he ate lunch and waited, and after dinner he waited some more. Finally, just before the sun was about to go away, he saw a star. The boy tried to jump up and grab it, but he could not jump up high enough. So very carefully, he climbed to the top of the tallest tree he could find, but the star was still way out of reach. He thought he might lasso the star with the life preserver from his father's boat, but it was much too heavy for him to carry. I like that he's using some problem-solving strategies and trying all different things. If only he could fly up in a spaceship and just grab the star, but the only spaceship he owned was made of paper, and it didn't fly at all. Perhaps he could get a seagull to help him fly up into the sky to reach his star, but the only seagull he could find didn't want to help. Doesn't look like it's going very well. The boy worried he would never catch a star. Just then, he noticed something floating in the water. It was the prettiest star he had ever seen. Just a baby star. It must have fallen from the sky. He tried to fish it out with his hands. I bet you know what it is, right? A reflection. But when the boy reached out to touch the star, it just rippled through his fingers. Oh, he must be feeling so sad. Now the boy was sad, but in his heart, the wish just wouldn't give up. I'm glad he didn't give up. Slowly, he began walking home. And that's when he saw it washed up on the bright golden sand. The boy had caught a star of his very own. And then look, he's reading to his star at the end. I love that story. Okay, so I have, so I sent your parents a link that they could print out, and it's all of, not all, but some of the constellations, kind of the famous ones, like Leo, the lion, and let's see, Canis Major, the big dog. We have the scorpion. So what you can do is pick your favorite one, and you're gonna cut it out. And then if you have another piece of paper, make a bigger circle with another piece of paper and glue your projector on top of that. And then maybe set your piece of paper on a cutting board and find a push pin. And you can push little tiny holes into the black dots. And then push it over your toilet paper or paper towel roll and tape it. And then you can go into a room that doesn't have any windows, or maybe you've made a fort or something, and take a flashlight and you can just shine it right through your projector. And hopefully it's too bright in here, but you can see if you can make a constellation at your house. The other thing that we were working on this week is Silent E, or Sneaky E, or the game that I sent you is actually called the Alien E. So there's a worksheet you can do, there's the game. So I thought we would just go over how we can take words and make them into new words using Sneaky E. So first I have app. So if we put it together, it's cap. But then if I add a alien E to the end, it will go over and make A say its name. So now it's ape, cape. Then my second word is op, hop. And if I put an alien E on the end of it, it will make O say its name. So now it's ope, hope. I hope you all are doing awesome today. So let's see, I think that is about it. Oh, I thought maybe I could end with our mind jar. Hopefully you got yours out, or you could make one now that you have some time. So remember, we shake it up, because I know I'm sure things can be kind of crazy when we're all together in our house for lots and lots of hours. So this might help you guys calm down. So we shake it up, and we're gonna do our 3 breaths. Ready? And watch the glare fall to the bottom. All right, friends, so that is it for today. I plan on sending you some more videos of some of your favorite books. And I hope you're all doing awesome. And remember, be curious, be kind, and be you. Bye, guys.